Hey everyone, welcome back. In this hands-on video, I'm going to show you how to enable noise cancellation in Steam on Windows and Mac. So, if you're looking to enhance voice clarity during in-game chats, Steam offers a built-in noise cancellation feature to help you reduce background noise. That said, let me show you how to enable it both on Mac and Windows PC. So first off, you have to launch the Steam app on your PC or macOS device. And then you have to click on the Steam menu located at the top left corner of the screen and choose the settings option if you're using a Windows device. And if you're using a macOS device, select the preferences option in the drop-down menu. Then you have to scroll down a bit and choose the voice tab in the left sidebar. After that, click on the show button right next to advanced options. And finally, you have to turn on the toggle right next to noise cancellation to enable it. And once activated, Steam will process your voice input to reduce background noise like keyboard clicks, fan hums, or other ambient sounds. It's worth pointing out that noise cancellation works best with high-quality microphones. If you notice any voice quality issues, ensure that your input device drivers are updated or your system software is up to date. Enabling noise cancellation in Steam can significantly improve in-game communication by removing unwanted background noise. Now follow these quick steps to ensure crystal clear voice chat on both Windows and macOS device. For optimal results, combine Steam's noise cancellation with a good quality microphone. And that's about it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks. And I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.